Hey everyone, need to remove old or unwanted projects from Cloud AI. In this video, I'll show you how to delete projects step by step. Yeah, whether you're cleaning up your workspace or removing completed work, this guide will help you safely delete projects from your account. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account and go to your project dashboard or workspace section. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before deleting anything. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the project you want to remove. Open the project list and review your saved projects carefully to make sure you select the correct one. Next, look for project management options such as Settings, More Options, or the three-dot menu near the project name. This is usually where you'll find the option to manage or delete your project. After opening the menu, select the Delete Project or Remove option. Cloud AI may show a confirmation message before permanently deleting the project. Take a moment to double-check because deleted projects may not always be recoverable. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Depending on the platform, you may need to type a confirmation message or click an additional button to complete the process. Once the project has been deleted, refresh your dashboard and check that it no longer appears in your project list. Keeping your workspace clean can make it easier to manage active projects. If you cannot delete a project, check whether you have the required permissions or if you are using the correct account. So these small checks can help fix most deletion issues. And that's how you delete projects in Cloud AI. Removing unnecessary projects helps keep your workspace organized and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.